Ko novinec začne vse tekme v prvi postavi, potem mu lahko upravičeno rečemo okrepitev. Marwan Kapha je hitro našel svoje mesto med slovenskimi prvaki. V Mariboru je sedaj 2 meseca. In to je primeren čas, da smo ga detaljno izprašali o tem, kako se počuti v Mariboru, kako se čuti integriranega v moštvo in kako doživlja prvo igranje v tujini. Umirjeni Izraelec je že v prvih tekmah pokazal, da je lahko dodana vrednost, vendar se sam zaveda, da lahko igra še na višjem nivoju.
I just 2 months here. I need time. I want to give everything. I know I can to give more. I work hard in the training. I speak with coach what I can to do better. I know the team, the players. I now be connection with us, and I hope to be better. Step by step, it's time. We must work together to understand me and the players. You know, we will better. We will be better after. It's need time, you know.
Sicer pa je bilo privajanje na novo okolje lažje, tudi zaradi prisotnosti rojaka Santija Salaliha, tako da Kapha govori o tem, da je že skoraj udomačen.
The first day I come here, I feel very good. Everybody respect me and give me everything. I want to succeed with team. I like the city. It's quiet city, small city. It's very good. Before 2 days, my wife come. For me, it's great now. I want to give to my heart in the field to succeed. The fans here, it's very good. I like also the fans. They give me power before the game.
Tudi nekaj slovenskih besed se je naučil zelo hitro.
Dobro, kak si, dobro jutro, dobro tek, dober dan. Razumeš?
Ko je govora o primerjavi med izraelsko in slovensko ligo, je mogoče govoriti o podobni ravni. Razlika je infrastruktura in delno tudi način igranja, ugotavlja nekdanji mladi izraelski reprezentant.
I think it's the same league. Israel may be more better, but Maribor, I think if the club play in Israel, take champions, it's I think more better for Maccabi Tel Aviv or Maccabi Haifa. The tempo in Israel, it's more tempo, but here they play more aggressive.
Čeprav je prišel v Maribor igrati evropske tekme, se je končalo že zelo zgodaj. Toda namesto jokanja je tudi pri Marwanu Kaphi čutiti odločenost, da se skozi slovensko prvenstvo pripravi priložnost za popravni izpit naslednje poletje.
Yeah, it's difficult for me, for the club, for the players, but I tell you, it's football. We can't now to cry about this. We must work hard, win Champions League here in Slovenia, and the next years come more strong, more confidence, and I hope to get Champions League next year.
Zagotovo se bodo takrat tudi vijolična 24-tica vpisala med strelce. Blizu debitantskemu golu je bil že v Domžalah.
You know, we play four games in two weeks. I come the goal, very tired, you know. But believe me, I swear, the next time I score.
Morda pa že to soboto proti prvemu na lestvici, Maribor Krško 18:30.